Good morning, everyone. It is Just God Sense. I'm here today to create another Valentine's Day gift basket. Um, Before we get into it, and if you enjoy my videos, I would like you to hit the like and subscribe button below. Trying to get those subscribers up. So if you don't mind, please share the video with others that you think may like it. And again, just go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button below for me. And we'll get into it. Right, so you all have to disregard the noise in the background. That's my family in the other room. This particular room does not have doors, so I can't close them out. But this is the basket that we're creating today. Can you see it? Bring the camera down right here. So it is a red velvet bath and body, not Bath and Body Wash because that's a company, but a bath set. We have the bath seeds, the bath wash. This is the sugar scrub, and to top it off, we have that cute little XOX sponge. Boop, boop. All right, so to construct this basket, I'm just going to take this one apart. And what I did was, of course, we purchased, am I ripping? We purchased one of these little square basket holders for your supplies at Dollar Tree for $1.25. And then I work at a place where we get this really sturdy cardboard. So I got a scrap of the sturdy card. You see how thick that is? It's not like the other flimsy stuff that you get, that boxes come in. So I took this and I covered it with red wrapping paper to make my base, to sit it in there. Then from that same company, you use tissue paper or whatever you like, but that same company shrink wraps their boxes. So of course I just folded the shrink wrap into like a little rectangle and then folded it over until it became enough padding to put inside there. Then once I did that, I got a larger piece the size of the face of this of cardboard, put it on top, put the cushion right here below it, wrapped it up real good, and then I'm just gonna set that back down in there like that. And now it meets a little. If not, it's okay. It still provides a nice little platform. Then we'll arrange it exactly how you want it. We'll make sure that's centered. I have been looking for my little stickers all day, and I have not been able to find them. Not one little dot. I absolutely positively, because I had to roll out. So I guess I'll open up a new one. Didn't want to do that. I might have 2 rolls out, to be honest, because it was 500. That's like these are individual rows. So I'm going to open up my balloon glue rolls. Yay, Temu. This is how they packed it. All right. So sticky. I'm gonna grab 3. Up. So sticky. Stick those together like that. I'm going to prop that up like that. So I'm going to actually use tape though to secure the body scrub. Now, some might ask, am I going to put anything in to fill in that space? I might insert a bag of candy. You hear that TV in the background? Yeah, that's my husband. Kevin! Can you please turn that down some? Thank you. He's rude. He knew it was so loud. I have those pink XOs. I'm really thinking I want to use the red instead. Drop your comments below and let me know what you think. If I should do the red instead. I probably should have put it on that side. Because I want to hide the barcodes back here, and that's going to actually do it for both. Yep, like that. It doesn't for that, but it's okay. Again, we'll put some candy in there or something. that back up. In there. There you have it. But I don't know. Y'all let me know. 10 minutes. Oh gosh, long.